There's a moment in life when you look at everything you've done and whisper, why isn't any of this working? If you've ever felt stuck, like you're trying and life still says, not enough. Days when you wake up with hope, but by afternoon you're questioning everything. Those nights when you stare at the ceiling thinking, is something wrong with me? Why is everyone else ahead? Why am I moving so slow? No matter how hard you push, nothing changes. You procrastinate, you scroll, you distract yourself. I want to take you on a small journey. We wait for motivation like it's some magical spark. Motivation shows up after you start. Small actions build momentum. Aim for 2 minutes, begin the task. Some changes grow silently, roots before fruits. Every habit you repeat, they're stacking quietly behind the scenes. Did I show up? Did I try? Did I improve 1%? When you expect quick results, everything feels like failure. I worked hard today, and that's already a win. Write for 20 minutes, study 1 chapter, run 10 minutes. Sometimes the problem isn't you, it's the room you're in. Clean your desk, remove toxic people, use a motivating playlist. Go back to your beginning, your reason, your why. That version of you is still inside you right now. Write down 1 sentence. I'm doing this because maybe this is the season where you are working. Your breakthrough is hiding inside your breakdown. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe.